All Pet Matters. Today I will show you how I nail clip my poodle. She just took a bath, so her nails are soft and it is not brittle. Okay, so it won't crack when we cut it by this clipper. So let's get started. First thing, we need to avoid cutting the quick. This is the pink vein. That is, when you cut it, the blood will flow freely. So it is better to cut little by little. Okay, so don't cut too much, so that we won't have accident. Okay. When the dog nails are long, they will have difficulty walking, and when they are in the cage with their long nails, they might have some accidents. Okay, so you see, we cut too much, so later we will deal with this. See, there's the blood. So later we will deal with that. I will get the powder later. Because her nails a bit black, so I cannot see all of the nails. So we don't need to raise this very high because you might get an injury. uh, we have accidentally cut too much the nail, so it bleed, so we need to put powder. This will help to stop the blood. Okay, so make sure you have this one when you are cutting the nails of your dog. Okay, and that's it. We're done. And that's our video for today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned something from today's video. And I'll see you again on our next video. Bye bye.